welcome back again. Today my topic is about AI and create your own business and how to be smart, do your business. I think it's worth to listen a little bit. Thank you guys. So the smartest business partner you don't have to hire. So have you ever had a business idea that felt exciting, but you couldn't tell if it was actually a good idea? Maybe you've thought about starting a business. Maybe you wondered whether people would actually buy what you want to offer. For many people, the biggest obstacle isn't ambition, it's uncertainty. Questions start showing up. Will this work? Am I wasting my time? What if I spend months building something nobody wants? For years, answering those questions often meaning hiring consultants, paying for market research, or spending months gathering information. Today, Amy was talking about we have another option, artificial intelligence. Now, AI won't build your business. It won't make your decisions. And it won't replace your judgment. But it can help you ask better questions before you invest your time, money, and energy. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is building before validating. They create websites, design logos, building products, develop services, only to discover later that there wasn't enough demand to begin with. The smartest entrepreneurs spending time learning before they spend time building. And AI can help speed up that learning process. Imagine you have a business idea. Instead of immediately investing money, start asking questions. Who are the major competitors? What customer problems aren't being solved well? What complaints do customers commonly have? What opportunities might exist for a smaller company? What trends are developing over the next few years? Even more importantly, ask AI to challenge your idea. Ask, why might this fail? What risks am I overlooking? What assumptions am I making? What weaknesses should I address before launch? Most people look for confirmation. Successful entrepreneurs look for blind spots. Another powerful use of AI is understanding your customer. Many business owners think they know who the customer is. But when they describe them, the answers are often vague. Everyone, busy people, business owners, those aren't customer profiles. A real customer profile includes fears, frustrations, goals, motivations, and buying behaviors. The more clear you understand your customer, the less likely you are to build something nobody wants. But here is the important part. AI can process information. It can organize data. It can generate ideas. What it cannot do is replace your value, your experience, or your judgment. The goal isn't to let AI make decisions for you. The goal is to become more informed before you make those decisions yourself. The real opportunity isn't artificial intelligence. The real opportunity is reducing the cost of learning. Today, a solo entrepreneur has access to research and planning capabilities that used to be available only to large companies. That's incredibly powerful, not because it guarantees success, but because it helps you make smaller decisions. So, if you are thinking about starting a business, don't ask AI to build your future. Ask it to help you understand your options. Use it to challenge your assumptions. Use it to explore opportunities. But keep your judgment, because the most powerful ambition isn't artificial intelligence alone. It's a thoughtful person using powerful tools wisely. And those are entrepreneurs who will have a significant advantage in the years ahead. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So, guys, if you love my video, please give me comments or your feedback. So your action means what to me. So I need more communication with you guys. I need more that know your thought, know what you are thinking. That's really, really important for me. So see you next video. Love you guys.